All right, so this is our 1958 open-top American LaFrance that's served in Corvallis, Oregon. And so over here, one of our board members, Jim, is getting this fuel tank out. So you can even see a little bit of the corrosion right there. This has had corrosion in it for a long time, to my understanding, and otherwise it actually runs pretty well. So according to a couple of the other board members, they said that even when they last drove it, they'd drive it for a little bit and then it would stall out because it wasn't getting any fuel, and then they'd clean the filter and then blah blah blah. But it makes a lot of sense just seeing what it is here. So they are going to be redoing this fuel tank. For a while they were running off of like one of those little marine fuel tanks, but yeah, that's what we got going on here at the museum.